Hey everyone, how's it going? Now with Easter coming up, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw some cartoon jelly beans. Now, jelly beans are pretty easy. So to start off with a jelly bean, I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up. And then it's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then it's going to run right into this line right there. So I'm going to kind of put these all over. So I'm going to draw another one here, just kind of curve up. And then I'm just going to kind of go in like that. Make another one that's going to go out and then it's going to kind of curve around. And then I'm just going to kind of connect these. They're almost kind of like an oval shape that has like a little bit kind of pushed in. And then I'll put one more up here. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go around like this. And as I come back here, I'm just going to go in and then back out. So now that we have our jelly beans, we can add some fun faces onto these. So there's lots of things you can do. So over here, I'm going to just add two little ovals onto here like this, and then I'm going to add a small circle at the top. Then I'm just going to color this part in. And then I'm going to draw a straight line across for the mouth. And then I'm going to draw a big line that goes down and up, with a little curved line in here for the tongue. Then right down here, I'm going to draw two little curved lines like this. And then I'm going to draw another straight line across. And then I'm going to make a line that goes down and comes back up like this for the mouth. Looks like it's laughing. And then I'm going to add a little curved line right there for the tongue. Then over here, this one, I'm going to do the same thing like I did on the first one. I'm going to just add an oval, little circle, and then color it in. But then for this one, I'm going to make it winking, so I'm going to add kind of like a little arrow shape like this. And then I'm just going to give it one of those little kawaii mouths. So I'm going to draw a line that curves up and down and then back up like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up with a little curve in there for the tongue. And there you go. There is your drawing of some cartoon jelly beans. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.